Hi, I'm Dorothy Somekh with Brown Harris Stevens, and today I'm at 750 Park Avenue, and I want to tell you about this fabulous apartment. So what you could do with this apartment is exactly what they did just one flight up. You can create a bedroom right over here and have windows and your own private terrace. Then you create a gorgeous kitchen right over here to where there's another water line and create a nice counter open to the living room. So reimagine this magnificent space with one of 3 alternative floor plans provided, creating the home of your dreams. Now, the great thing about this apartment is you don't really have to do anything in the living room. It's in great shape, and it has a balcony which faces east, and this is the second balcony, as you do have one that faces north as well. Also, there is a bedroom which doesn't need any work at all. So at 1.189, you will not find this type of apartment anywhere on Park Avenue. It is a steal right here on Park Avenue and 72nd Street, one of the great streets in the entire city. I'm Dorothy Somekh, and I look forward to meeting you soon.